Let's make some bonbons. Accio! 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 Let's move on to the recipe. Can you guess what today's video is all about? Ridiculous! Today we are going to be making those delicious truffles. We are going to combine them with some Harry Potter style magic. Exploding bonbon truffles that are not allowed at Hogwarts. Do you ever stare through the window of those fancy chocolate stores, watching as they prepare those delicious chocolate balls of, well, magic? Why would you pay $6 for one truffle when you can make them at home for way, way less?
It would be inappropriate.
For $1.50. Welcome to the science lab of Hogwarts Castle. If you like fun foodie videos, make sure to hit that bell and subscribe.
Ding ding!
Cheeky Sassy Me, Harry Potter edition. It's 4 simple ingredients: ganache, pop rocks, sparkle gel, and cocoa powder. Let's start by laying out our parchment paper. Where is my parchment paper? It's in the bag. Look in my bag. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Isn't it cute? Look familiar? Let's get my parchment paper. Avocado. Potato. A sign. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. Hand sanitizer, anyone? I love hot chocolate and marshmallows. You see it's sticky, guys. And I'm not making pizza either. Paper stuck, guys. I can't get it. There it is. Alexa, give me a Harry Potter spell on how to freeze somebody.
Here's a Harry Potter spell. Arrow shooting spell.
No, this is messed up. Alexa, give me a Harry Potter spell on how to freeze somebody.
Harry Potter spell. Double charm.
This is messed up. Alexa!
Alexa, is me. I'm a virtual assistant treated with respect and deference.
Give me a Harry Potter spell on how to freeze somebody.
According to Quibbler.com, Petrificus totalis a spell to cause someone to freeze completely.
The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop out my ganache. Then I'm going to put my hands in the cold water. The reason I wet my hands is to keep the chocolate from sticking. This is making my hand. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here's what your chocolate balls should look like. Now let's coat them with cocoa powder so they don't stick. When I think of Harry Potter, I think of the ride, Hogwarts or the Bike Adventure. It's so good, I love it and I recommend it. So, it's time for the last part, my favorite part. It's time to decorate. Okay, so right now I'm using the Sparkle Gel by Wilson. I'm gonna draw a little Z on my little balls right here. And listen up. I got 2 right and 1 wrong. Okay guys, time to sprinkle on some Pop Rocks. Have you guys ever tried Pop Rocks? Let me know in the comments below. One thing guys don't know is that I have never had Pop Rocks before. Say, don't mind if I do. That noise inside me feels so weird. Another one. The noise inside of me is so awkward, guys. I can't say it right now. If you like fun, funny videos, make sure to comment down below, subscribe, and hit that bell. See you at Hogwarts.